Whoa, let's get comfortable. Alright, good evening. I've come down the beach tonight to take photographs of my motorbike. This is a 1976 Honda CB400. I've owned it for about 10 or 12 years and recently done a bit of a restoration on it and turned it into like a cafe racer resto mod. It's got electronic ignition, LED lights, blah blah blah, just to make it a daily driver. And what I'm hoping for tonight is a bit later on I can take a photograph from over there looking that way with the Milky Way core hopefully behind my motorbike. So yeah, and all we've got to do now is wait about an hour and a half for it to get properly dark and for the Milky Way core to rise. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. I hope you can hear me over the crashing waves. I came down here to shoot Milky Way tonight and the aurora is absolutely going off, and it's the first time I've seen it in southern England. So sorry I'm not filming very much, but I've just got to get as many photos of this as I can. I've had an absolutely fantastic night of photography down here tonight. It's probably the worst vlog I've ever done, and that's saying something. I'm going to go home now because the aurora is so bright that it's actually blocking out some of the stars in the Milky Way, so I think I'm going to knock it on the head for getting Milky Way shots tonight. Save that for later in the year, a few weeks time perhaps. I've no idea what I'm doing when it comes to aurora, northern light photography, so hopefully I haven't messed it up tonight. I promise I'll do a better vlog soon. I'm so out of practice. Thanks for watching anyway, see you soon, bye.